Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study about the chronopharmacology. Chronopharmacology is the study of how the effect of drugs vary with biological time and endogenous periodicities. Internal clock, chronos means time, pharmacon means drug, and logos means steady. Drug dose, drug dose will depend on internal clock. Study of drugs according to biological clock. It's chronopharmacology. Chronology, arrangement of events according to time of occurrence. Example, event T20 World Cup, time occurs every 2 years. Rhythm occurs at regular time intervals. Example is every 2 years. Chronopharmacology deals with optimization of drug effect and minimization of adverse effect by timing medication in relation to biological rhythm. Three aim of chronopharmacology: effect of drug or achieve maximum effect of drug, minimize adverse effect of drug, avoid multiple dose therapy. Chronopharmacology is subdivided into chronopharmacokinetics, variation in pharmacokinetic drug with respective chronotoxicity, toxic effects of drug, internal rhythm change, under undesiration, chronotherapy, internal clock, dose schedule of drugs maintains, chronotherapy, full therapy of particular disease depending upon biological rhythm. Chronopharmacokinetics, variation in pharmacokinetic drug with respective time. Chronotoxicity, the toxic effects of drug on the organism which is undesirable and affect rhythmic system. Chronothesis, chronothesis, dose schedule of drugs according to the biological rhythm. Chronotherapy, whole therapy of particular disease depending upon biological rhythm. Which gene maintain biological rhythm? That is BMAL1, that is brain and muscle aryl hydrocarbon reactive time receptor nuclear translocator light. 1. Clock, circadian locomotor output cycles cover per period, and CRY is cryptochrome. Biological and circadian rhythm. It is a natural internal process that regulates the sleep-wake cycle and repeats roughly every 24 hours. I have made a clock over here, circadian rhythm, 12 midnight, 2 a.m. deep sleep, 4 a.m. low body temperature, 6 a.m. then 6:45 a.m. sharpness and increased blood pressure, 7:30 a.m. is melatonin secretion, 10 a.m. highest alertness, 12 noon, then 2:30 p.m. less coordination, 3:30 p.m. fast reaction time, 5 p.m. great cardiovascular efficiency, then 6 p.m. it's 6 p.m. is the cornea band, then 7 p.m. high body temperature, 8 p.m. is high blood pressure, 9 p.m. is melatonin secretion start. This is internal clock of body. Clock measured daily by environment. Circadian clock depends at what time what secretion will cause. Circadian clock in brain coordinates with daily physiological functions cycle like sleep, weight, digestion, temperature, hormone secretion. Biological circadian rhythm type. Circadian lasts for 24 hours sleep awake cycle, infraradian data cycle longer than 24 hours menstrual cycle, ultradian cycle shorter than a day, neurological firing time. Seasonal affective disorder. Franz Halsberg coined circadian rhythm 28th century. Circa means about, approx, diem is day, which controls circadian rhythm. The suprachiasmatic nucleus controls circadian rhythm in response to hormonal variation in the body. So, suprachiasmatic nucleus that codes the pineal gland and melatonin hormone. Factors responsible for disrupt circadian rhythm. Two factors: genetic factor, clock gene mutation and aging, and environmental factors shift towards night eating, sleep restriction. These do produce many diseases like cancer, sleep disorder occur, cardiovascular metabolic disorder, diabetes, metabolic syndrome, hypertension, other serious disease, obesity, depression, behavior disorder, Alzheimer's disease, depression, Allergic reaction, early morning if take drugs before bronchial asthma, commonly during sleep, angina pectoris, chest pain during early morning, myocardial infarction great in early morning, tachycardia, early sleep. If we take the drugs like if I take allergic reaction early morning, if take before early morning we take the medicine of allergic reaction, then the allergic reaction will not start. If commonly during sleep, bronchial asthma is in commonly during sleep. If we take medicine before that, then it can prevent bronchial asthma. Chronotherapy in peptic ulcer, mostly peptic ulcer pain, acid secretion or gastric acid, and duodenal ulcers occurs commonly time in night. So H2 blockers, cimetidine, are given at evening time. Applications: the application of chronopharmacology concept to allopathic medicine would help in minimizing the dosage of drugs, getting optimum benefit of the drugs with minimum toxicity, getting optimum benefit of drugs with minimum toxicities, opening a new avenue in therapy of allopathic drugs, individualizing the medical treatment. Chronobiologic approach of pharmacologic phenomena involves a lesser risk of errors or false information and early morning effect. The conventional homeostatic approach.